Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
We have already learnt about refraction through glass slab and refraction through prism. These two experiments we have studied theory part. Today we are going to do demonstration. Okay, how we are going to do this? First I will show you how it is done. Okay, I will show you each and every step. But remember that I will be doing here. You won't be able to see it, right? But once I take a step, once I do something, I will show it to you. Okay, by tilting the board. So let us try to revise what we have done. This is refraction through glass slab. Next thing, here there is a glass slab. Okay, we are going to place two pins over here, and then we are going to place a glass slab. We are going to peep from one end, and we are going to see where these two pins are getting in one line. Once they are collinear, wherever you see them in one line, you will pierce two more pins over here. Okay, so that all the four pins appear in a straight line. Then we will remove glass slab, we will connect the dots, and what we will observe? This pattern we will observe. Understood? We are going to take different readings, but when I will show you, I will start with a 30-degree angle on my paper. Okay, then each group will take different angles. So you might take 40 degree, you might take 50, 60 and 70. Understood? We have protractor with us, we have scale with us, so we can measure the angles and we can connect the dots also. Understood? Any doubts until here?
No, sir.
Fine. In the four corners of the paper, I might have given you paper, right? You have the paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what I have done now, first step is to place the paper like this. I have placed a paper somewhere in between and I have pierced four pins in the four corners. What's the reason for this?
Paper stays stable.
Yes, paper stays stable. First step, what I am going to do, I am going to place the glass slab like this and I am going to draw the outline. What I am going to do? Draw the outline. So let me show you. So what I have done here, I have drawn the outline. This is your next step. What I did, I placed a scale over here. Okay, and I made sure that it is 90 degree. This can be done with the help of protractor and set square also. Next step is we have to make a 30-degree angle. You can select which angle to take. Okay, so right now I have taken 30 degree. So using a protractor, I placed the protractor on this side. Okay, like this I placed it, took this as a reference and marked 30-degree angle. And then I removed the protractor and joined this line. You will take different angles. I took 30 degree, you might take 40 degree, I told you already.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So that we will get different observations. The purpose is to get different observations also. Okay, so after doing this, I am going to select 2 points, any 2 points on the incident ray. Can you see this?
Yes.
So 2 points I have selected. This is as per your wish, but it should be on the line. Then what I have to do? I have to place a glass slab again aligned to the box that I have drawn. I have to place a glass slab on the outline. So we have to adjust a little. And then what we are going to do? We are going to take two more pins and we have to observe from this side, from your side. And wherever you get two pins in one single line, you will pierce two more pins in the same line, so that all the 4 pins are in the same line. They should be collinear. Okay. So this is how we got the observation. What we did? We pierced 2 more pins. And looking from here, while I was observing from here, all these 4 pins were in single line. Observing from other side through the glass slab. We have to observe through glass slab. Okay. Then what I am going to do? I am going to remove the 4 pins which I pierced, and then I am going to connect the dots. Okay. Can you see this? So what I did? I connected the dots. Okay, wherever I pierced the pins, there I got some impressions, there dots, these dots I connected. Next step is to measure the angle, but to measure the angle we need a reference. So again I have to draw the normal. At what point? Here. Yes. Okay. Then what I will do? So once I have drawn the normal, next step is to measure the angle. Okay. So I will place it here and I will measure the angle. Okay. So let me see. Well, so angle of incidence was 30 degree. Okay, so let me write that. And when I measured angle of emergence, ideally it should be 30 degree, but what I got was 35 degree. So there is a big difference of 5 degrees in the readings. Okay, so there is an error. That doesn't mean that experiment is failed. You will never get exact readings the way you wish or the way we want. Okay, so ideally it should be 30 degree, but there is an error of 5 degrees. So what we got was 35 degree. Now we might ask ourselves, I might ask myself, that why there is an error of 5 degree. The problem is, while taking observations, we might make mistakes. We are humans, so we are bound to make mistakes while doing observations. But if you do it properly, still you will get 1 to 2 degrees of error, no matter how perfectly you do it. Okay, fine. Now this is not yet done. We have not finished the experiment. We have to measure angle of refraction also. So where is angle of refraction? Over here. This is angle of incidence. Okay, I will mark it I. This is angle of refraction, and this is angle of emergence. Emergence I measured, angle of incidence I measured. Okay, so angle of refraction, let us see. So angle of refraction is 15 degree. So has it decreased or increased? Angle decreased. What does that indicate?
Sir,
Yes.
light ray has gone from a optically rarer medium to a denser medium.
Correct. Optically rare medium to optically denser medium, and that's why the refracted ray has gone towards the normal. So angle has decreased. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You are going to take different angles. Okay. So first group here you will take 40 degree, next 50 degree, then 60 degree, last you will take 45 degree. Okay, understood? So start doing the experiment now.